Good morning. Normally, we'll be telling you in civil cases the judgment will be given. So after one generation or two generations, it's a lengthy and laborious process, and you can circumvent the case in the way you like. All be right. Normally, when the judgment is delivered, decree it will take place later, and for the taking up a copy of the judgment, you may take 1 month or so. Right, so from the date of judgment to the date of uploading, normally a month time will take. But here there is a very strange or very strange case where it has taken about 1 year and 1 month to upload the judgment given by the writ court, that is given by the High Court of Patna. More than 1 year delay in uploading the judgment. Right. Now, you can read this case as State of Bihar versus Rajkumar Yadav, 2020. So, while disposing the special leave petition 9469 by 2020, Honorable Supreme Court noted the inordinate delay of 333 days. Of course, 1 year, 1 month in our language. So, for uploading the judgment, so then the Honorable Supreme Court asked the Registrar General of High Court of Patna to inquire into the matter, to look into the facts, to look into the circumstances of the delay and take necessary action. So definitely Supreme Court also will go for necessary action against the persons responsible for the so much of delay in uploading the judgment. Very recently, you may be knowing, the Supreme Court has asked the government, so government cannot come and cannot walk into the Supreme Court thinking that they can do anything after a delay of some 2 or 3 years. So delay continuation petition, they have also commented, don't think that you can come into the Supreme Court as and when you like. There is a limitation period, you have to follow the limitation, is it not? It applies, same thing applies to high courts or whatever court it is. So 1 year, 1 month delay, how horrible it is, right? So the bench consisting of Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul and Dinesh Maheshwari, they held a serious view on this delay. So they said, we call upon the Registrar General to submit whether the aforesaid facts are correct, and then he has to give the reasons for the same. Right, now when we go into the case facts, what happened is, actually, Rajkumar Yadav was a chowkidar. Alright, he along with others, actually, he joined as a daily wage worker. After some time, he became an employee. But during the year 2004, he was 22/1/2014. So he was removed from the service, stating that he could not be regularized because he was not appointed before the cut-off date 18/1/1991. Right, there are 6 others also of the same case, but of course they have gone to the court and they produced the certificate that they have joined on 31/12/90. So since it is before 18/1/1991, they were reinstated, right? But he has stated, of course, later he produced the evidence that he has joined as a work charged employee and he was on duty on 17/1/91 also. So therefore, he wanted reinstatement. Of course, he filed a writ petition before the Patna High Court. Patna High Court has asked the government. The government should be, actually it should act as a model employer. They should not go for the hyper technicalities that on particular day he was not present. Till 17/1/91 he worked. What is the harm on 18/1/91? It's so too silly, appears also to be silly. So the Patna High Court has asked for the reinstatement of this Rajkumar Yadav by State of Bihar. Agreed by the order of the Patna High Court, Bihar, State of Bihar, they wanted to file an appeal before the Honorable Supreme Court. For that they filed an SLP. So in this connection, the delay has come to light. So why there is delay? Because uploading the judgment has taken 1 year, 1 month. Definitely the delay will be there. You may be doing according to the Limitation Act. The limitation starts from taking a copy of the judgment, is it not? So such a delay definitely very dangerous. The Patna High Court, of course, they have to explain for the delay, right? Actually, this is so serious. Because why I am putting this video is because normally the judges will be telling that they should not be delayed, all these things. But now The court itself has caused the so-called delay, and it has to be explained. Such cases you must come to know. That's why I'm telling you this is not a serious case. It is a case where there is a delay of 1 year, 1 month for uploading the judgment. Right? But in our view, it's a serious case. It should be dealt with definitely. Suppose will the court agree? Of course, if the court doesn't condone the delay, then what we have to request the court, Your Honor, this delay, that delay, that delay. But when the court itself is has committed an error in so much of delay, then definitely it is a questionable item, and all of you should know about it. Thank you.